Welcome to all of you. Student, this is lesson 9. In fact, this is a poem, and the poem name is Face Life with a Smile. So, there are so many challenges in our day to day life. But if we have some smile on our face and see the situation, and then we can handle all the circumstances, whatever before us. So, let's see what the poet is trying to say through this poem. So the first stanza is saying there is a lots of joy in living if we face life with a smile. Take time to do some kindness and go the second mile. So the poet is saying that if we face our life with a smile, so there are so much joy, happiness, pleasure in our day-to-day life. If we stop for a while and do some kind words like helping people, guiding people, and then we can go with having a smile all the day and go the second mile, then we can cover our second step. For the greatest joy is giving, and it all comes back to you when you add a little sunshine to all you say and do. So the poet is saying कि what is the greatest joy? What is the greatest happiness? The greatest happiness is giving. Giving something, as you can give your hand to help someone. You can expand your hand to help someone. You can make a need of someone's, and because it all will come back to you again, क्योंकि ये सब दोबारा आपके पास आ जाएगा. And you add a little sunshine to all you say and do, and while doing so, ऐसा करके you can make a, yeah, you can spread a sunshine, you can spread a joyness among the people to all you say and do if you add help to others. Before the day has ended, try to do some worthwhile things, and before the ending of the day, we should try to do some praiseworthy things. Help to ease another's burden and make a sad heart sing, and always try to always try to help others. We should always try to ease the burden of others, and always try to make smile, to bring a smile on the faces of others. You will find each new tomorrow will be happy from the start if you only will remember keep a smile within your heart. If you are doing so, then you can make a new start of the tomorrow will be happy from the start, and the start of the day will be very happy if you only will remember keep a smile within your heart. And what you all have to only remember, you only have to remember just a smile, just a good thinking inside your mind and heart also. So this, through this poem, the poet is trying to give a message to all of us that there are so many problems, issues, and the challenges before everyone's life. If we face them having a smile and helping others, then we can make our life so easy, and while doing so, we also can make happiness in others life. So students, you all have to write this poem in your copies, and also remember and don't forget to learn this poem. Okay, thank you.